Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Vinted website and I'll explain to you guys how can you get into the customer help service center on Vinted and how can you find solutions for your problems. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up Vinted on your web browser. Once you're on the home page, in the top right corner you'll click on this question mark right here, and now that will lead you to the help center of Vinted. In order to resolve any problem that you're having, on the left hand side you will pick a topic that you have. If you're having problem with selling, buying, shipping, or any other essential problem, you can find it right here. Now if that doesn't help and you want to send them a feedback message that you will get answered on later, click on send us a feedback, click on fill in the form, and then you will fill in this form at all. You will tell them all about your problem and then click on submit, and they will get back to you as soon as possible. That way you can resolve your problem if you haven't find your solution back in the page before. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.